Hello children, welcome in your English class. Today we are going to start with English literature. This is your English literature book children. Okay. Now we are going to start with lesson number 1. This is your lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is a poem, The Little Plant. It is a poem by Kate Louise Brown. Okay children, so let's read the poem. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So children, as you can see, this is a very short poem, beautiful poem, and this poem is about a seed which grows up into a plant, and then later on it grows up into a tree. So children, as we know, when we sow the seed into the ground, and all the life cycle of plant is shown here. We sow the seed in the ground, and then when it gets the water and sunlight, it grows up, and then gradually it becomes a plant. So I am explaining this to you. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny little plant lay fast asleep. That means there is a tiny little plant. Tiny means chota, very small. So a very small plant is there inside the seed. And where do we sow the seed? In the ground. So children, in the ground there is a small seed. Seed made, there is a small plant which is still sleeping inside the seed. And wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. That means when the seed will get the proper sunshine and the raindrops, that means water, it will grow up into a plant. So here sunshine is asking the seed to grow up into the light. Creep means to grow, move. So here the sunshine is asking the plant to grow up to the light of sun, and raindrop is also saying the same to the plant. So here both things, sunshine and this water, they are asking the plant which is still sleeping inside the seed to grow up and come outside of the seed. And when the little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. That means plant, when it heard the voices of sunshine and the raindrops, it rose, it wakes up, and it gradually comes out from the ground and see the wonderful outside world जो कि बाहर है. Okay children, I am explaining it again. This is the story. Okay children, I am explaining it again. As you can see, there is a seed और इसके ऊपर सनशाइन पड़ रही है, एंड देन देयर इज अ रेनफॉल, वाटर आ रहा है, और ग्रेजुअली जब दोनों चीज़ें इसको प्रॉपरली मिलती है तो वो सीड में से एक छोटा सा प्लांट पहले निकल के आता है. ये छोटा सा प्लांट आप देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी हियर, एक छोटा सा प्लांट सीड के अंदर से कैसे निकल के आ रहा है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो इट पोएम इज़ अबाउट दैट ओनली, कि किस तरह से एक सीड के अंदर एक प्लांट सो रहा है, उसको प्रॉपरली सनलाइट मिली, उसको प्रॉपरली वाटर मिला, और ग्रेजुअली वो जब दोनों चीज़ें उसको पूरी तरह मिल गई तो वो धीरे धीरे बाहर निकल के आया, एंड इट रोज टू सी द वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड. आवर वर्ल्ड इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड वंडरफुल. सो इसी तरह से ये जो प्लांट है ये बाहर निकल के आया और इसने अपने बाहर का वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड देखा. Okay children, I hope you have understood the poem. So children, this is one exercise here, true and false. Okay, we will do only this exercise today. Let's see, and let's do this exercise. I hope you all have understood it. A tiny little plant lay fast asleep in the grass. Was it sleeping in the grass? No. So it is false. Write down false, F. You have to write T and F only. A seed needs sunshine and rain to grow. Does the seed need sunshine and rain? Yes. So it is true. The raindrops are shining. Raindrops are shining. Yes. The little plant rose to see the clouds in the sky. No, it rose to see the wonderful world. So it is false. The little plant heard the words of wonderful world. It is also false. Children, this is all for today. Rest of the exercise we will do in our next class. Thank you.